Here we've installed an S5 tracker with immobilisation. Now we've done it to this Volkswagen Transporter T6.1. It's quite a new transporter, and as you can see, it looks really nice as well. So these are worth a lot of money. Protection is a real necessity. So what we've done is a tracking system, but with the extra immobilisation. So it's an S5 Plus. And the system that we chose to do with this particular vehicle is the Metatrak Deadlock. Let me demonstrate. So if you come over here, so if I try to start the vehicle up now, it will not start. Got absolutely nothing there at all. So what I need to do is go and get the tags. So if you introduce a tag, the vehicle will start. So let me go and get a tag. Right, here's a tag. It's not that big, it just goes on your key ring. So you don't do anything with this tag, it's just basically proximity. So now, as I have the tag in my hands, if I jump in, and if I try to start it now, it starts. And that's all because I've got that in my hands. So it's quite a simple system to use. Like I said, it's only proximity, so all you have to do is carry that with you, just put in your key ring and you can start the vehicle up. Without that being present, the vehicle will not start. And not only that, if it's driven off, so let's say they got round it or did anything and it got driven off without this tag, it would alert the monitoring company that the vehicle's on the move without the tag. So technically that shouldn't happen because you've got the mobilisation. And with the tracking system, you also have an online app where you could actually see where the vehicle is at all times. So you've got free access to it. And on the app, you could actually mobilise the vehicle remotely. So even if somebody's got an authorised tag and you don't want it to start, you could actually turn the immobiliser on the app and the vehicle won't start even with that being present. So it's a really nice little feature that this tracker has. But the essence of it is the fact that it is a tracking system that is monitored to a category S5 status. And being the immobiliser is an S5 Plus, so it's the highest status for insurance approval. So there you have it. That is an S5 tracker with immobilisation on this Volkswagen Transporter T6.1.